The impact of emerging technologies on Hadoop and big data. Big data analytics evolution. Big data analytics has evolved. It has moved from traditional data processing to advanced techniques. Now, organizations can extract insights from large datasets. Impact of AI on big data. AI is vital in big data analytics. It automates tasks, finds patterns, and makes predictions. This improves decision-making. Hadoop advancement trends. Big data processing enhancements. Hadoop is an open-source framework. It stores and processes large datasets across a distributed system. There have been big improvements in its processing speed and efficiency. Emerging technologies in big data, IoT and machine learning are being added to Hadoop. This will boost data processing and performance. Edge computing and big data. Edge computing processes data near its source. This reduces latency and improves real-time analysis for organizations. Cybersecurity in the big data era. As data usage grows, so do threats. Organizations must prioritize cybersecurity to protect sensitive data. Real-time big data analysis. Real-time data analysis lets organizations make quick decisions with current info. This boosts efficiency and responsiveness to changing market demands. Conclusion. In conclusion, emerging technologies profoundly impact Hadoop and big data. They reshape how organizations process and analyze vast data sets to gain insights.